Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and Mind Body Wisdom expert. I want to talk a little bit about the spirit of aging and how to get it out of your energy. Now, we have all met someone who's acts like they're in their 60s or 70s and they're only in their 20s. And maybe they're an old soul, or maybe they're just someone who's been through a lot of hell in their life. But the spirit of aging can be with us at any age. And I'm getting close to the next big decade of my life. I'm not going to say what it is, 70. And I had the spirit of aging big time, but I didn't know it. So I dowsed, and yes, there it was, big AF. And I got rid of it, and this is how I did it. Follow along with me, spin a pendulum, a necklace, or your hand to the left, which will help create a vortex of clearing. And just repeat after me. I now release 100% the spirit of aging from every part of my body, from every cell, atom, and molecule, from all my chakras. I release the spirit of aging from all my energy bodies, from every part of me, from the tips of my toes to all the way up to my higher self right now. And so it is. I just felt a big release. And then spin to the right, which instills the affirmations you're going to be making, and just say whatever you like or follow along with me. I now spin in the spirit of youthfulness, the spirit of high energy, the spirit of delight in life once again. I spin in the most amazing joy and bliss and feelings of freedom, of love, of peace, of just enjoying the heck out of every day. And so it is. It's all you got to do. Just move your energy around, make shift happen, and create the most amazing life for yourself. It really works, and you deserve it because you are a treasure. Peace out. Namaste. Follow me on YouTube and Twitter, and check out my Amazon books, all designed to create the life that you absolutely deserve.